I'm Tony Sabato Jr., and this is your Fix It and Finish It tip of the day. When was the last time you changed your refrigerator filter? On most refrigerators, you should be changing the filter every 12 months. Here's how you do it. First, we open the panel, just like this, and you give the old filter a slight turn. See, it pops right out. Then pull the seal off the new filter, and it screws right in. Remember to save the old filter. Take it to the hardware store for your next replacement. Your refrigerator runs best when the thermostat is at 36 and your freezer at 0. I'm Tony Sabato Jr. with your Fix It and Finish It tip of the day.